Imagine waking up every single day, feeling energized, focused, and ready to conquer the world. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, what if I told you that the secret to unlocking this kind of day lies in just the first hour after you wake up? That's right. Your morning routine can make or break your entire day. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a morning routine that sets you up for maximum productivity. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step blueprint to transform your mornings and your life. Let's get real for a second. How many of you have tried to build a morning routine, only to fall back into hitting the snooze button and rushing out the door? Yeah, I've been there too. But here's the thing. A great morning routine isn't about doing everything perfectly. It's about creating small, consistent habits that add up to big results over time. And trust me, once you see the impact it has on your productivity, you'll never want to go back. Why morning routines matter. Before we dive into the how, let's talk about the why. Why is a morning routine so important? Well, research shows that how you start your day sets the tone for everything that follows. Think of your mind like a computer. Your morning routine is the boot-up process. If you start with clutter, distractions, and chaos, your entire day will feel the same way. But if you start with intention, focus, and positivity, you'll carry that energy with you all day long. Plus, mornings are one of the few times you have complete control over. Once the day gets going, emails, meetings, and unexpected tasks can throw you off track. But your morning? That's your time. And when you use it wisely, you'll feel like you're already winning before the rest of the world even wakes up. Step 1. Start the night before. Okay, let's get into the steps. And believe it or not, the first step to a great morning routine actually happens the night before. That's right. Your evening habits are the foundation for a successful morning. Here's what you need to do. Set a consistent bedtime. Your body loves routine, and going to bed at the same time every night helps you wake up feeling refreshed. Prepare for the next day. Lay out your clothes, pack your bag, and write down your top 3 priorities for tomorrow. This eliminates decision fatigue in the morning and gives you a clear focus. Limit screen time before bed. The blue light from your phone can mess with your sleep hormones, so try to put it away at least 30 minutes before bed. Think of this as setting the stage for a successful morning. When you wake up, you'll already feel ahead of the game. Step 2. Wake up with purpose. Now, let's talk about the moment you wake up. This is where most people go wrong. They reach for their phone, check emails, or scroll through social media. And just like that, their brain is flooded with information before they've even had a chance to think. Instead, try this. Avoid your phone for the first 30 minutes. Give yourself some mental space to wake up naturally. Stretch or take a few deep breaths. This helps your body transition from sleep to wakefulness. Set an intention for the day. It could be as simple as, today, I'm going to focus on being present, or I'm going to tackle my biggest task first. This small shift can make a huge difference in how you feel throughout the day. Step 3. Hydrate and fuel your body. Next up, let's talk about hydration and nutrition. After 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated, and your brain needs fuel to function at its best. Here's what I recommend. Drink a glass of water as soon as you wake up. Add a slice of lemon if you want to boost your metabolism and kickstart your digestion. Eat a healthy breakfast. This doesn't have to be complicated. Something like oatmeal, eggs, or a smoothie will do the trick. The key is to give your body the nutrients it needs to perform. Remember, your brain is like a car. It needs the right fuel to run smoothly. Skip this step, and you'll be running on empty by mid-morning. Step 4. Move your body. Now, let's talk about movement. I'm not saying you need to do an intense workout every morning, unless that's your thing. But some form of physical activity can do wonders for your energy and focus. Here are a few ideas. Do a 10-minute yoga flow. This is great for stretching out your muscles and calming your mind. Go for a brisk walk. Fresh air and sunlight can boost your mood and wake you up naturally. Try a quick HIIT workout. If you're short on time, even 5 to 10 minutes of high-intensity exercise can get your blood pumping. The goal here is to get your body moving and your energy flowing. Trust me, you'll feel so much more awake and ready to tackle the day. Step 5. Focus your mind. All right, now that your body is awake, it's time to wake up your mind. This is where mindfulness and mental clarity come into play. Here's what you can do. Meditate for 5 to 10 minutes. This doesn't have to be complicated. Just sit quietly, focus on your breath, and let your thoughts come and go. Journal your thoughts. Write down anything that's on your mind, whether it's goals, worries, or things you're grateful for. This helps clear mental clutter and sets a positive tone for the day. Visualize your success. Take a few moments to imagine yourself crushing your goals and having an amazing day. This primes your brain for success. By taking just a few minutes to focus your mind, you'll feel calmer, more centered, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Step 6. Tackle your most important task. Finally, let's talk about productivity. The morning is the best time to tackle your most important task because your willpower and focus are at their peak. Here's how to make the most of it. Identify your top priority. What's the one thing that will make the biggest impact on your day? Work on it for 60 to 90 minutes. This is your golden window of focus, so eliminate distractions and go all in. Celebrate your progress. When you finish, take a moment to acknowledge what you've accomplished. This builds momentum for the rest of the day. By starting your day with a win, you'll feel motivated and productive no matter what else happens. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to building a morning routine that sets you up for maximum productivity. Remember, it's not about doing everything perfectly. It's about creating small, consistent habits that add up to big results over time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs a productivity boost. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because I've got more life-changing tips coming your way every week. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one thing you're going to add to your morning routine? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.